Hey y'all, welcome back. What's up?
Welcome back.
Yeah, so today we got something special. I know y'all been waiting. I know they've been waiting. Word. So today we're going to announce the winner of the contest, but we are proud to announce the winner of the first contest ever on this channel, JustKay&Dee, right?
Yeah.
JustKay&Dee. So yeah, shout out to you. I know it's been a minute, and yeah, we gonna announce the winner. But yeah, before we do that,
we just wanted to thank everyone for subscribing to our channel, you know, and participating in the contest in the first place. So thank you guys. We appreciate it so much.
Thank you.
Shout and without further ado, drum roll please for the winner. Her name is Jonah Falkulan. Please let me know if I'm pronouncing that right.
Woo!
Yeah. Congrats.
Shout out to you. Congratulations, Jonah. I'm sorry, I don't know if we're pronouncing it right, but we will definitely be in contact with you.
Yeah.
We appreciate all of your support and all of your friends' support and everybody that subscribed. Listen, we really appreciate it. So yeah, congratulations, and we will definitely be in contact with you in the very near future.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's get into this video though. You know, let's get back to the regular scheduled program.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Welcome back.
So what we got for them today?
We're gonna build a snowman
Hold
today.
on. I don't think they ready. We're gonna do what?
We're gonna build a snowman today.
Let's get it. So how we gonna do this?
I don't know. We ain't never. We ain't never built a snowman before. Oh God. See?
Oh man, moving too slow.
I'm moving too slow.
Yeah, like it's cold out.
It is cold.
Like a young boy off of what's it? Who was that? Beetlejuice. Got a little small here like Beetlejuice.
Okay, I think my base is pretty solid.
Oh what?
You want me to add more snow to that?
Yeah. My hands freezing. Your hands got freeze too.
My hands are freezing.
Oh, I'm not trying to hear that, man.
No, you just killed it.
What you mean? What
You just killed the snowman.
All I did was take his legs off.
Hey, yo. Y'all see? Alright, I'm just gonna use this as the base then.
I got a quick question, y'all. Are you supposed to like use something with this for it to stick together? Because like, I don't know. Do I need honey or syrup or something? Because this not working.
Syrup?
This not working. Every time every time I pick it up, it falls apart. What am I supposed to do here?
You pack it together, babe.
Comment down below if you built a snowman before and how did it go? What did you have to do? What did you have to use? Because this is not working for me. I need some pointers. It's probably gonna be too late, but
I almost fell over.
you alright? I thought you had on boots. What's going on?
I do.
Are you good?
Oh man, I'm fighting for my life.
What you mean? Why?
My nose dripping snot. I'm slipping and sliding.
Oh, you said, well, are you good? You over here sniffling, man?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
My nose is dripping snot.
You want me to get some tissues?
You have some?
Oh.
Oh, but oh my God. Bang it up. Oh my God. Yo.
Forget all that.
Forget all what?
Forget all that.
Oh, what you
Remember all that
doing?
stuff you was talking?
That's crazy. He tried to sneak me, y'all. Hold on. Let me get my gloves. I don't think I ever had a snowball fight. Have I? I don't know.
What's up? What's up then? What's up?
Stop trying to sneak me, man. Not you already had them built. That's crazy.
Come on, man.
That's crazy.
Come on, back up. You gotta back up some. Back up a little bit. Yeah. Come this way. What's up then, man?
Well, why do you already have them built?
I already told you. I told you I was getting ready.
Why?